Rwanda's Ministry of Education in partnership with the USAID Rwanda are distributing 10 million Kinyarwanda books with the objective of building the Kinyarwanda reading skills among school children across the country. The books are being distributed through USAID's Soma Umenyi project, whose goal is to improve the reading abilities of at least 1 million students. The mass distribution of these books was launched on Friday, June 29, 2018 at GS Karenj in Ruamagana district of the Eastern Province. GS Karenj is one of many schools nationwide that benefit from USAID's early grade literacy support for primary and P1 P3 students. The U.S. Ambassador to Rwanda Peter Groman said 10 million books will be given to schools and students in Rwanda in coming years. Rwanda's Minister of Education, Dr. Eugene Mutimura, told media that about $75 million will be spent on this program. The three complementary programs use textbooks to empower students in order to have advanced reading skills. As part of the launch, Ambassador Groman officially handed over to the minister a first edition copy of a new P1 level textbook created by Rwanda Education Board, in partnership with USAID, which will be distributed to all public school students in Rwanda in the coming weeks. The U.S. and government of Rwanda enjoy good relationships in various sectors, which include education and agriculture, among others.
Iyo wize gusoma no kwandika mu Kinyarwanda bigufasha icyongereza vuba kandi neza.
And why are you proud of supporting such projects?
Nadi muvuga Kinyarwanda Giche. No, I'm proud of this project because I'm also learning Kinyarwanda, and I know how difficult it is to learn another language. But because I know English and other languages, French and Arabic, that helps me learn other languages. So for Rwandan students, the most important takeaway that I have from visiting these programs, these three complementary programs, is that helps the young children have the basis for learning Kinyarwanda and to read a book and be able to make progress in their education. And when you make progress in your education and learn to read, that's the only way to become a knowledge society